Hello and welcome back to Building on a Budget Models. Today we'll be unboxing this, the Calsonic Nissan R91CP in 1/24th scale by Hasegawa Hobby Kits. This is the historic car series number 31. You can see there the photograph of the car. There's information on the sides in a variety of languages, paint and glue not included. An official license there. Same photograph on this side, and on this side you've got a picture of the finished model, including some information about the size. So let's open it up and have a look. So we've got the bodywork there, clear sprue, a bag here with a lot of sprues in. And then down here we've got a couple of pieces of paper. We've got one about the design, some window masks, decals, and the instructions. So firstly, if we start with the instructions here. In the mid-1980s, Group C cars, prototype cars, were the mainstay of World Racing Championship competition. In Japan, this racing genre came to overshadow the Super Silhouette Group 5 competition that had once been dominant in the country. Nissan's role in Group C racing car history began in 1983, when the company decided to offer technical assistance to a promising racing team. With long years of Super Silhouette technological know-how under its belt, the company began developing C cars. Nissan's first C cars were built around the domestically produced Le Mans LM03C chassis, with modified versions of three standard production vehicles, the Skyline, the Silvia and the Fairlady, entering competition after receiving this modification. Later, a switch was made to the UK-produced March Engineering chassis. In 1985, a Silvia with these modifications went on to win the 1,000 kilometres of Fuji. In 1986, this car made its debut at Le Mans. In 1989, Nissan participated in the World Racing Championship after another chassis change, this time to a Lola design, posting a third-place finish that was the best yet for a Nissan C car. For 1990, the vehicle in its entirety, including the chassis, was a Nissan design. While Porsche overwhelmingly dominated Le Mans competition of the era, Japanese machines began to make themselves noticed, and a Japanese design, the YHP Nissan R90CP, won its first championship honours in 1990. Appearing in 1991, the R91CP incorporated a newly designed carbon monocoque body. Heart of the machine was its twin-turbo V8 dual-overhead cam VRH35Z engine, which boasted a maximum power output of over 800 horsepower, with the car weighing in at less than 1 tonne. The R91CP participated in the 1991 All-Japan Sports Prototype Car Endurance Championship, JSPC. The driver team of Kazuyoshi Hoshino and Toshio Suzuki posted 3 victories in 7 races, a strong, stable performance that eventually led to them garnering series champion honours. So, if we go through the instructions here, you can see, like a lot of Hasegawa kits, this folds out into many sections, so I'll go through this in stages. Now it also comes with this set of instructions here, which has a list of parts, symbols and some colours. This uses the Mr. Hobby colours as usual. And then on the other side it has instructions for where the decals should go. So this is the front cowling of the car. Might as well show the back of the car as well. So as you can see here, the bodywork comes in 3 parts. and you remove these sprues and put them together. It's fairly nicely moulded. You can see the doors very clearly. There's a little lip there to help you attach some of the clear parts. There's also a little pinhole here to help you fix these together. And similarly, there is a pinhole here, which I think is actually for the windscreen wiper, but that will wedge together there. Ah yeah, there's two pinholes here and here to fit to these to help you to secure the body together. So this sprue here has got some of the aero parts, rear wing for instance. This sprue here has got some things to make the brakes. These have got individual calipers, so this is quite a detailed kit. Yes, this is the same as before. So you're given two of these for the brakes. With the wheels, you're given one set for either side of the car. This part here has got the interior tub, the steering wheel, dashboard, I think that's the gearbox and parts of the suspension. This part here has got a couple of cogs and some other bits. I think these may be part of the cooling system. That's the wing mirror, I believe. Here we've got the floor, these Venturi tunnels. It's part of the dashboard. The seat is separate, and it's quite nice. It's got these holes for you to add seat belts should you want to. All looking good. There's the other wheels, same as before. I think these are some parts which fit into some of the aerodynamics on the exterior. Very nicely moulded. Some of these vents are actually open, which is a really nice feature. We've got a very small silver sprue. Now on this we've got a couple of mirrors, and also there is a chrome Nissan badge, which I guess goes on the front, though that might be optional. In this bag we've got the tyres, which seem to be very nicely moulded. A little bit of a seam in the middle, but nothing that could be removed with sanding, and poly caps. Won't open those. Then we've got the clear sprue here. Very nice, crisp, clear moulding on these for the headlights. There's lots of other light coverings as well, it looks like. The windows have got little ventilation holes in them, and as well in here there are these two metal rods. Not exactly sure what those are for, but I will look in the instructions and find out. Okay, and we've got masking stickers for the windows, for the front and both the side windows, and very high quality cartograph decals. Now there is also a Nissan badge here, so I guess that chrome one might be optional, but yeah, these look very good indeed. Okay, so there we have it. That is the Hasegawa 124th Calsonic Nissan R91CP. I don't know when I'll be building this yet, but I've decided that I'm going to do a few more of these unboxing videos for people who might be interested in seeing what I have in my stash. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, comment below, and I'll see you soon.